Imagine this. You're in your 60s, still full of life and energy, but when it comes to intimacy, things feel a bit different. You're not alone. Lots of men go through changes as they get older. But what if I told you there's a natural way to keep your strength, confidence, and performance strong? Today, we're looking at 3 powerful vitamins that can really make a big difference. You might already have them in your kitchen, but are you using them the right way? Stick around till the end, because we're going to explain how these simple nutrients can improve your life. And hey, before we begin, leave a comment below and let us know where you're watching from. Let's create a group of men who are ready to take control of their health. Now, let's get started. The hidden truth about aging and performance. Getting older is normal, but it doesn't have to mean slowing down. As we age, testosterone levels drop, blood flow isn't as smooth, and stress affects us more. What happens next? Less energy, lower stamina, and a dip in sexual performance. The good news, nature has given us great tools to fight back. The right vitamins can do amazing things, helping blood flow better, giving you more energy, and making you feel like yourself again. So, which one should you look at first? Let's find out. Vitamin number 1, the sunshine helper for better blood flow. Vitamin D. Picture this. You wake up feeling tired, your body feels heavy, and your energy seems low. Is it just aging? Maybe. But what if the real reason is something easier to fix, like not getting enough vitamin D? Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin because your body makes it naturally when you get sunlight. But here's the surprising part. Over 40% of adults over 60 have low vitamin D, and in the colder months, this number gets even higher. So why does this matter? Because vitamin D is closely connected to blood flow and circulation, 2 key parts of having strong, lasting erections. Here's what it does. Vitamin D helps your body create nitric oxide, a strong molecule that relaxes your blood vessels and helps blood move better. When blood flows smoothly, it reaches every part of the body, including the areas needed for sexual health. Research shows that men with healthy vitamin D levels enjoy stronger, longer-lasting erections and better overall sexual function. But when you don't get enough, the opposite can happen. Poor blood flow can lead to weaker erections, low energy, and even heart problems. How to get more vitamin D? Get some sun. Try to spend 15 to 20 minutes outside each day, especially in the morning or late afternoon when the sun is gentler. Eat foods rich in vitamin D. Things like salmon, tuna, sardines, mushrooms, and fortified dairy are great choices. Think about supplements. If you're not getting enough from sun and food, a good vitamin D3 supplement can help, but always talk to your doctor first. Many men say they feel more energetic, in a better mood, and more sexually active after a few weeks of keeping their vitamin D levels up. Vitamin number 2, the energy booster, vitamin B12. Do you ever feel tired, slow, or mentally foggy even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Millions of men over 60 feel the same, and one common reason is not getting enough vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is important for 3 main things. First, energy. It helps your body turn food into energy you can use, which keeps you from feeling weak and tired. Second, nerves. B12 supports healthy nerve signals, which help with muscle movement and body control. Third, blood flow. It helps your body make red blood cells, which carry oxygen to all parts of the body, including your reproductive system. Without enough B12, you might feel worn out and low on energy, even after resting, weaker stamina, less strength during physical or sexual activity, and brain fog, trouble thinking clearly, poor memory, or slow thinking. The issue? As we grow older, our bodies don't absorb B12 from food as well, so getting enough through diet alone becomes more difficult. That's why B12 deficiency is very common in older adults. How to boost your B12? Eat more foods rich in B12, like lean meats such as chicken, beef and turkey, eggs and dairy, seafood like salmon, shrimp and clams, and fortified foods, especially useful for vegetarians and vegans. Think about taking a B12 supplement or getting a shot. If you're still feeling low on energy, a good B12 supplement or, in more serious cases, B12 injections can help bring your energy back in just a few weeks. Men who increase their B12 often say they feel more energetic, think more clearly, and move more easily. A big improvement when it comes to stamina and feeling your best overall. Vitamin number 3, the top booster for blood flow. Vitamin E. Also known as the fertility vitamin, vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that protects your cells from damage caused by stress, which is a major reason for aging, poor blood flow, and weaker sexual performance. Here's why vitamin E is important for men. It improves circulation. Vitamin E helps keep your blood vessels open and healthy, which means better, longer-lasting erections. Bad blood flow is one of the most common reasons for erectile problems. So keeping your circulation strong is very important. It lowers inflammation. Ongoing inflammation can harm your heart, arteries, and sexual health. Vitamin E works like a natural shield, helping keep your heart and blood vessels in good condition while also supporting your overall wellness. Helps boost testosterone levels. Low testosterone can cause a drop in sex drive, weaker erections, and less energy. Vitamin E plays an important role in keeping your hormones balanced, making sure your body keeps making testosterone as you get older. How to get more vitamin E? Snack on nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are full of vitamin E and are an easy, healthy snack. Use good oils. Add extra virgin olive oil to your salads, veggies, or cooked food for a simple way to get more vitamin E. Eat more leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are great sources of vitamin E and also give you antioxidants and fiber for better health. Many men forget how important vitamin E is, but even a small shortage can lead to poor blood flow, weaker erections, and lower sexual performance. Start adding these foods to your meals today to keep your body working well. Besides vitamins, the best plan for men over 60. Vitamins can do a lot, but they work even better with healthy daily habits. If you really want to improve your blood flow, testosterone levels, and energy, here's what you should do. Exercise often. Even light movement like walking, swimming, or yoga can improve blood flow, strengthen muscles, and help boost testosterone. Handle stress well. Long-term stress raises cortisol, which can lower testosterone, mess up your sleep, and reduce your sex drive. Try meditation, deep breathing, or doing things that make you happy. Get enough sleep. Your body heals and makes testosterone while you sleep. Bad sleep can cause tiredness, low energy, and poor sexual performance. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of good sleep each night. With the right mix of food, movement, stress control, and rest, you can stay strong, confident, and feel younger, more alive, and ready for anything. Final thoughts. Take the first step today. Now you know the 3 vitamins that can boost your energy. Vitamin D for blood flow, vitamin B12 for energy and strength, and vitamin E for circulation and testosterone. But just knowing isn't enough. You have to take action. So here's your challenge. Which of these vitamins do you need to work on? Share your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple expert advice. And if you made it all the way here, write "I stayed until the end" in the comments, so I know you're serious about improving your health. Thanks for being here, and see you in the next video.